We're going out for a bit of a ride. Let's see what kind of ride we can take today. Let's see, we've got some choices. We've got the blue Porsche, the purple Victory, or this kid's bike. Those brakes are kind of crappy. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I gotta be on the right side of the road. This is not India. This is the first day in a long time. It's, oh, okay, these gears came off. This might be a really short trip. The whole handle came off of that. All right. Running into some minor problems here. Minor problems or major excitement. There's a couple fields I need to take a picture of for a client. Whoa, that's the end of my gears. Do I have another in here? Nothing, I've got nothing. I've got a client in India that's taking a look at some of my photos. And since I'm not there to fly to their location and take pictures of their tractors in their fields, they want pictures of fields here, and they'll send me pictures of tractors, and I can Photoshop them together. That's it I got for my gears. Where's that? Oh, there we go. Whoa, this bike's a mess, yo. Brakes. Possible disaster. Let's hang over here to the side of the road. I think I hear a car behind me. Don't have any rear view. And this is one of my fields that I wanted a photo of. So whoa, there's the lighting might be a little rough. I'll take pictures of both sides of the road. I'm still shooting with the 50mm prime, but I want more of a landscape thing. So this isn't something that will be finished today. And I keep skipping gears. What's it skipping on? You know, we might just be walking back. What a joke this thing is. There's a couple more here up the road that I was thinking about getting. Yeah! All right, I got another gear working. Well, there's a number of things I need to do next time before I head out on one of these bike excursions. Number one, gotta check the bike. Number two, gotta put on some sunscreen. I'm melanin challenged. Yeah. I got a gear that's working. Whoa, that's pretty amazing. Oh, no, every time I say it, it's like, you still would? This has been a fun experiment.
That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the information society. member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.